everybody, and welcome back to Diva Styles. In this video, I'm going to be doing a pastor appreciation themed chip bag. So, yeah, I did not know where to go with this. I had never, had a request like this before. So, of course, first thing I did was I went to Google and typed in pastor appreciation to see where I wanted to go. And you can do the same thing as well. Find a picture that stands out to you. And of course, it was this purple and gold. I think that is so cute. And but you can, and that was my church colors, purple and gold. So maybe that's why it also stood out to me. But you can also use your church colors, or go with another picture, and then base your chip bag off of that. So, of course, the first thing that I tried to do was I tried to find purple and gold backgrounds. But you know that, hey, you can't find them because they all had the watermarks. So I'm going to have to try to create one pretty much on my own. So yeah, let's do this together. First, I do know I want to go border. So I'm going to go ahead and grab this gold right here so I can use this for my border. And then I'm just going to simply stretch this out into place just like this and push it back. That's the only thing I got on there right now. So yeah, let's see how this looks. If I don't like the way this looks, no, I don't like that for the front of the Okay, so let's see what this looks like. Okay, not bad, but I'm going to crop it down that way that that word right there is gone. Okay, I like the purple, I guess. All right, not bad. Let me see what corrections. Okay, no. No, I don't like that. Okay. Let's see what this purple looks like. No, I definitely don't like that either. Oh, goodness. Okay. Well, that changed it a little bit. Okay, I'm trying to see which one. Okay, I don't really like the dark one so much. It's just too dark. But of course, I'm going to go ahead and upload, the images on gosh, what is that? On Patreon, you guys. Yes. Okay, stand backwards. All right, let's go ahead and knock this out of the park. Okay, so this chip bag pastor appreciation. Okay, let's do this. I have no idea what I'm doing or what design I'm trying to go with. Okay, that's the center. Should that be all on the same line, or? Okay, yeah, different lines. Let's find some fancy fonts. All right, let's see what white looks like. Oh no, that looks too orange. Okay. I'm just gonna leave it like that for right now. Just want to get everything in my words on there. To coming out to celebrate our appreciation for Pastor. I don't know. Let's make something up. Pastor John Barr for his service. Fancy font again. And then let's see if we can find a church symbol. I don't know. Goodness. Let's see if I can. I have no idea how I spell my gosh darn church name. Lord have mercy. Oh Jesus. Church logo. Can I just get a logo? Okay, these work. This one works perfect. Goodness, but it's not. Okay. Works perfect. Save. Now let's insert pictures. Let's see if I can brighten that. That is not the right color I was looking for. Let's see if I can get this to maybe stand out. Corrections. That still looks a little. All right, much better. Or maybe should I put this on the chip bag? Flip it. There's all types of things you guys can do with this. I'm just messing around and just to get an idea. Let's take that off. Let's bring this forward. Okay, that doesn't look bad. Okay, it don't look bad. But it seems, I don't know, still like something is missing. Mm. Or let me just change it. Let's change the color. Maybe that's where I'm going wrong at. Okay. Insert shapes. copy. Alright, I like that. A whole lot better. A whole lot better. Okay. Yeah, that looks a whole lot better. Then let's make these words a little bit bigger. Scoot them over. Like I said, you can really play around with this and change the color. I mean, even to this purple background that I give you, even if your church colors were blue, you know, blue and gold, or I don't know what other color would go with that, but you know, you can most definitely play around with this and change it to, you know, whatever suits your church colors, I guess is what I'm trying to say. Even a gray, could I change that to maybe red? Okay, now could I change these maybe? Let me see. Formats, recolor. Can we get them white? Oh, we can get them white. Recolor, white. Okay, so as you can see, you literally can change anything, any color that you need it to be, you can do it. So play around with the items, you know, the images, play around with them, use them, and if you have any questions at all, please feel free to ask. If you need any more detail on anything, please feel free to ask, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye.